In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Wise IBAN number. To get started, sign into your Wise account. Make sure you're using the correct account and that you're fully logged in before moving on. Once you're in, you'll land on the home page, which is where you can see your balances and main account options. From the home page, open the currency balance you want to receive money in. This part is important because your IBAN is connected to a specific balance, not just your account in general. So, choose the balance that matches the currency you plan to receive. Next, select a currency that supports IBAN details, such as EUR. Not every currency will display the same banking information. So if you're specifically looking for an IBAN, you'll want to open a balance where IBAN details are available. A Euro balance is one common example. Once you're on that balance page, look just below the balance amount for the green account details button. This is the section that gives you the banking information needed to receive money into that balance. Go ahead and click the green account details button. After that, give it a moment while the account details page opens. Depending on your device or internet speed, this may take a second or two. When the page loads, review the receiving account information displayed on the screen. This area contains the bank details connected to that specific Wise balance, and it's the information you'll share when someone needs to send money to you. Now, locate the IBAN field in the account details section. The IBAN is usually clearly labeled, making it easy to identify. Take a moment to confirm that you're looking at the correct field before copying anything. Next to the IBAN, you should see a copy icon. Click that icon to copy the number. This is the easiest way to avoid mistakes, especially since IBANs can be long and need to be entered exactly as shown. You can also review any additional details shown on the same page, such as the BIC or SWIFT code. In some cases, the sender may need more than just the IBAN, especially for international transfers, so it's helpful to know where this information is. Once you've copied the IBAN, you can use it when receiving international payments that require it. Just make sure you share the details exactly as they appear in your Wise account. Thanks for watching.